Amin from Bayog, Iligan City, boundary between Lanao and Bukidnon, and we have the Linantungan, Linumbakan area, Kalilangan, Parintokan, and Bubuanan. We have representative from the Durian. The Durian is the sacred landmark of our history as peoples in Mindanao. The Tikalaan people are here. And we have also the body of the headwaters of Taguluan, all the Taguluan area representing the southeastern side. We have the representatives from the southern side. Of course, the Matigsalogs are also here and with the Umayam. And this area is the heart of the traditional territory known as Bulan-Bulan. So after a while, we will start with the ritual, and then